Hello, welcome to Roger Adventures. Today I'm gonna be following my uncle's tutorial, and this is the rock that he painted, and I'm gonna be following his tutorial, and I hope you like this video.
Well, as you saw on the introduction for this video, my niece Priscilla is gonna paint this rock that I previously did. She followed my tutorial the same way as I show on the other video. If you like to look at it, look at my other videos. I gave her a tip. I told her to start drawing the jellyfish on a piece of paper before drawing it on the rock, so that way she has an idea of the size and how she's gonna place the jellyfish on the rock. I told her she can do anything that she wanted. She can do one or two, but she decided to do exactly for the same design. This tutorial, I made it because I got a comment on my Facebook page that this rock is not for beginners. So I did ask my niece to make this jellyfish. With my tutorial, you cannot see my phone, but she's actually looking at the tutorial while she is doing it, and I was there to guide her through the process. But the point is that she was able to do it. Not exactly the same way as I did, but she was able to do it. So the thing is that if you set your mind that you can do something, you can achieve it. Maybe you want to start painting rocks, but you haven't taken the initiative to start doing it. The first thing you need to do is start doing it. Don't wait and say, oh, I want to do it until I'm ready. I'm gonna look videos on how to paint rocks and then I'm gonna start doing them. The way that you're gonna feel comfortable, you're gonna like it, and you're gonna learn, it's by actually painting the rocks. You don't have to start making videos. You can just paint your rocks. I actually follow a Facebook group, Santi Rocks, and you can see there that a lot of people make rocks and they don't care about how they look or how good is the painting. The important thing is to share your artwork with somebody else, to have that enjoyment of having someone look at your art and saying, oh, it's beautiful, or I like it. So I want you to go ahead, buy some rocks, some paints, acrylic paints, and start painting rocks. The rock that I did it with the black paint, but I asked my niece to do it with a Sharpie, all the edges, because I know it's difficult. Again, you can be creative as you want. You can do my own design, you can do your own design, but the point is that you need to start painting rocks. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. And don't forget to subscribe and to activate the bell to receive the announcement of my next videos. And my goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks or do any other form of art or whatever you want to do, but just go ahead and do it. And she decided to put some nice glitter on the rock. Also, since she used the Sharpies, after the paint has dried, I put a coat of Mod Podge. So when you rest in the rock, the marker won't run. You only do this if you use the Sharpies.
So this is the rock that I painted. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye.
And these are the two rocks. The one on the left is the one that she did, and the right is the one that I did.